I was at a family reunion, everyone buzzing about the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I just attended the launch, and let me tell you, the excitement was real. AI features seemed to be the talk of the town. Now, this genre of phones hasn't exactly blown minds lately. But the S24 Ultra seems different. It packs cutting-edge AI features without major hardware changes. Think of it as the best AI features available, bundled into one powerful phone. Imagine being on a team call, just switch on the voice recorder and boom! It transcribes the entire conversation, even across languages. Need it translated? Easy button, choose your language and share. Not just calls, translate any text on the fly. SMS, websites, anything. Even translate your reply in the sender's language. Traveling? Imagine conversing with a receptionist in different languages, even on landlines. The camera's packed with AI too. Take a pic, tap the AI tab and get suggestions you never thought of. Time-lapse? A distant mountain scene? Mind-blowing results. Not just landscapes, AI tailors suggestions to every image. This is cutting edge. Move objects, erase elements, even recolor backgrounds in photos. This phone practically predicts your editing needs. Expect other brands to follow suit soon. This phone is full of hidden AI gems, like generating wallpapers based on your mood. Who knew AI could be so creative? Yes, the design resembles the S23 Ultra, but is annual change really necessary? The titanium frame and improved display are refreshing enough. Let's talk cameras. The 200MP ultra-wide captures stunning detail, and remaster AI makes them even crisper. Low-light images are phenomenal too, making the S24 Ultra arguably the best Android camera right now. The only downside? It looks familiar, but hey, maybe phones don't need yearly makeovers if the experience stays amazing. The S24 Ultra does just that, offering a unique AI-powered experience for work, creativity, and daily life. Is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for you? Watch our full review to find out.